Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. First of all, I want to thanks to my all viewers and friends by giving their precious time to us. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the desktop images as well as we can say that background images with the help of personalize. So you can see this is our desktop background images. Here, first we refresh our laptop. We can say that we will today in this tutorial we will change the background themes of our laptop or PC. So this is our PC. First we refresh it. Here it is written refresh. First we refresh it. As refreshing of your laptop, it will boost your laptop and optimize your laptop timing. So after doing this, we will go to the personalize at the at the below size. Here it is written personalize. You can see it. When we click it, you can see desktop themes or images are on the screen. Here it is written change the visuals and sounds on your computer, or you can say your PC. Click a theme to change the desktop background colors. You can change the colors from here, sounds, screensavers and all at once. At a time you can change these all. So we have already changed it into flower background, so we will do it lands and colors, and here we will also change it. Here it is written high contrast black, high contrast white, high contrast 2, high contrast 1, or we can say with the line high contrast 1, high contrast 2, high contrast black, high contrast white. So you can change also sounds from here, as it is written already at the top of your laptop or PC that click a theme to change the desktop background color, sounds and screensaver at all once. So this is our personalization. With the help of these personalization, we can change the themes of our laptop or PC. You can also get more themes online, as now our laptop is not connected to the net, so we cannot change it with online, or so we can. Here it is written screensaver, colors of our desktop background. Here it is written. Now we have changed it to the lines and colors. Now we will go to the high contrast 2. We can also do it high contrast black, high contrast white, or so on. Whatsoever it is given us to here. Now we will high contrast. We can do it high contrast black. Now you can see that our screen has changed. We will go to our screen. Here we can minimize it, so you can see it is black. At the starting of our video, it was a flower on the screen, or theme was at flower. So we will change it again. Here we can also come and open it again. Now we will do it high contrast white. Here it is written. Now you can see that the screen is changed and its color is turned into white. So it is totally turned into white. So we will also change it once again. From here we will go to the refresh. Now you can see that our lines are at blue. It is written sort by refresh. Now we will go to the personalize. We will change the color. Here options are given to us that in which color you will change it. Here windows. Here it is written change the color of your window and text. Here it is written click a button below to change the color of your window borders, buttons and text. So it is written selected text, active window title, inactive window title, button. Here it is written. So window background, it is here it is shown window, text, hyperlinks, disable text. Now we can change it so whatever we want. Now we can change foreground, the colors. Here it is foreground is white. We can do it blue. Here it is shown with blue. We can do it also pink. Here it is shown pink. It is our custom colors, basic colors. These all are basic colors. These are slides of the colors which shown in at a time different colors. At a time here it is written add to the custom colors solids. Now we can, whenever we click OK, it will be applied to the themes. Now we will change it once again and we will do it OK. Now you can see here it is foreground is blue. Now it is foreground is black. Here it is written buttons. Now when we apply it, here it is written apply. When we apply it, then the colors are changed. So it is that we have done it. Now we will go to the back. Now you can see it is blue because we have changed into blue. Once again we will go to the personalize. These are our themes. Now these are windows. When we change it, the colors, or we can say the windows, lamps and colors, flowers. Here when we click it, the windows are changed. For example, we can do it Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Different colors are shown over here. Then we check our sound. Here it is also shown as playback, recording, sounds, communication. A sound theme is a set of sounds applied to events in Windows and programs. You can select existing scheme or save as one you have modified. Sound scheme, Windows default, save as, delete, or whatsoever you want. To change sounds, click a program event in the following list and then select a sound to apply. You can save the changes as a new sound scheme. Program event, here it is written. These are a test. You can see when we click it, then we check what is it. Test it. I hope you are getting it. Critical battery alarm. Here it is written test. When we test it or browse it from net, we have now no net connection, so we will test it. Windows for foreground, here it is written. Once again we will check the new sound. It is written default beep. Desktop mail notification. I hope you are getting it. Device connect. When device connected, this sound is going to. So when this device is disconnected, then we test it. Device failed to connect. I hope you are getting it. This is exclamation. Instant message notification. When message is sent by anyone at instant time, it will give us a alarm or sound. So this is low battery alarm. Maximize. These are not sound because there is no sound option over here. You are listening, you are seeing it. I hope we cannot test it because there is no option, so we can test the low battery alarm. Here it is written showing a battery, or it is showing a alarm or loudspeaker, as well as whatsoever it is showing over here. Then when we click it and click the test button, it is showing over here. So once again we will change it to our own theme. When we check it over a background, you can see it is written already in flower. We have changed it for our tutorial. This was our tutorial. I hope you get it. Kindly support our YouTube channel by subscribing it, and also comment on below what you want to the new video. Thank you very much.